because I got some flying I'm gonna be doing here in a little bit. I thought about going out to the fly field, but my wife's got to work and I had the kids with me, and I think a friend of mine's needing some help. So I had to go get a tree cut down at my mom's to set it up because the tree's about to die, so we need to get it away from the house so it don't fall on the house. All right. Now on these, you don't need a thread lock, because they are self-tappers actually. So what they do, they actually bite down into the plastic and you cut your own groove. I don't know how good you can see that, but they're real coarse. And you're literally making threads as you're running it in. So they're self-threading, self-tapping. So they lock themselves in, and I mean, you can get them pretty tight. You just always check them. You know, you always take your Allen or something like that and put in there just to make sure they're tight after the first couple flights. Okay, we got all that done. Now it's time to put them on the bird. Let's get this out the way. Some extra. It's always good to have extra, because you never know when you're gonna need it. So now the double one goes on the front. And this one they say use blue Loctite, because you don't want these coming loose either. Okay, that was kind of pointless. I put the screw in there, and the plastic right there, it's pretty tight, so I went ahead and put some more back there, and I'm assuming the rest of them's going to be the same way. So we will go ahead and install these where they're supposed to go, because it literally just wiped all the Loctite off. I mean, it's a good fit, so nothing wrong with that. And apparently they are different sizes. Okay, the longer ones go in the 2 servo mount right here, and then the shorter ones are going to go in the single servo mount. Alright, now we got those in. We'll give them all a little Loctite. Now it says to run, I think the wife's here, the wire's up and underneath the bracket. And make sure you keep them out the way because you don't want to pinch them when you're tightening this down, because then you take the chance of cutting it. Make sure your wires move freely. I think she's here. I don't know. Oh, look, I'm hearing shit. She ain't here. Alright. See, man, I don't like it too much, but they lock up if they're not moved. See, it moves fine right now, but if it sits for a little bit, it's like they lock up, and then you gotta force it free, and then once you move it, if they work, they move fine. If y'all have had that before, I mean, let me know what's up, because everything looks good inside there. I don't see nothing broke, no teeth missing, or anything like that on the gears inside. And the motors work like they're supposed to, so I don't know what the deal is with that. Alright. Just a dab, just a dab. Remember, y'all don't want to damn put so much on here that, yeah. Alright, now this one is on the back side. And voila, we have, see? Servo's on, yay. There is these two little pieces right here, and it says that there's a servo wire mounts or whatever. I'm not sure where they're supposed to go because the book don't really say, like, at all. I don't know, I guess I'll figure it out. But for now, got all our wires running to the back finally. Now I'm going to try to make this as pretty as I can with the wires, but I ain't the best. Just being up front here, I ain't the best at wire management. I'm getting there, I'm getting better. But I'm more of, I don't really care how it looks, as long as it flies, I'm happy. Alright, we're going to set that to the side now that we have that ran. that's all for that part. Now is the head system. Now on the old one, there was a lot of play in the blades because there was a piece that was wore out. Yeah, I don't know where it is, but it is wore out pretty bad. But it's all right. I got a new one right in here. It says to go to bag 7. We're getting the bags knocked out, guys. Getting there bit by bit. I just want to rip the bags open, but no. I'll try to open them and save them. Okay, what it says to do is take the uniball arm. Do I put Loctite on this one? No, apparently not. And on here it says you want it 20 centimeters. Or 25.5 millimeters, sorry. 25.5 millimeters long. Let me see if I... Trying to find a tape measure. Alright, let me find a damn tape measure and then we'll get back at it.